Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete boards on your Pinterest. Okay, so first I'm going to show you my desktop, but then I'm going to show you on my Android phone. So let's start with the desktop version. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so here you can see I'm on my Pinterest account. You can see this is my demo Pinterest account. So first you need to log in with your account, and now you have to click on this your profile icon, tap on your profile icon, then your profile will be open, and here you can see all pin here, and this is your board. Okay, so you have to select any board which you want to delete, and here just navigate your cursor on board and just tab on this pencil icon, which is edit option. So it will be pop-up will become, and edit your board option will become. Now this is your board name, this is your board description. Okay, so now if you want to delete it, just click on delete board and just delete forever, then your board will be deleted. Okay, I just cancel. Now we are going to see on my mobile phone. So guys, here I'm on my Android phone, so let me open Pinterest first. So Pinterest has opened now, so just log in with your account. Now you have to go on your profile photo, just click on your profile photo, then same interface will come. Now this is your board. Okay, just click on it. Okay, now go to this three dot option, click on it and click on edit boards, and here this is your board name description, and here you can see option delete. Okay, so if you click on it, the board delete option will come. Just have to tap on delete, the board will be deleted. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.